Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem code on your FC Mobile application. If you want to redeem a code in EA Sports FC Mobile, first of all, open a web browser on your device. After you open up a web browser, go to the URL box at the top of the screen and type in redeem.fcm.ea.com. After you do that, you'll end up in this official redemption web page. To redeem your codes, you must be logged into EA account, so go ahead and tap on the EA account option. Make sure that you're logged in by entering your credentials, and after you are logged into your EA account with its credential, you will see this redemption code box. Go ahead and write down your redemption code in the text box exactly as it appears. After typing down your redemption code, check on I'm not a robot and complete the CAPTCHA, and finally click on redeem. If it is successful, you'll see a confirmation message on the website. You can then open up your FC Mobile game application and check your in-game inbox or notification for the reward. So that is how you will be able to redeem your code in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.